2021, second weekend of turkey season. Sitting here on Stevie's pipeline. Got a little blind set up underneath the stand. That way I can look up and down the pipeline. I heard one gobbling probably about 15 minutes ago, but it sounded like it was about a quarter of a mile away. It's probably about 65 degrees. There are a few mosquitoes out here, but it is hunting. I hope something pops out. Let's give it a little call. We sit and wait. Hopefully it picks up. Can't tell, but I didn't bring my binoculars down here. Nothing. 30. Haven't seen anything. Thought I saw something down there at the end of the pipeline, but I couldn't tell. I don't have my binoculars with me. I'll have to bring those tomorrow. Nothing. I did hear them gobbling though, but they sound like they're way away. He doesn't know we're notified. He don't like to be on film anyhow. That was a big wasted trip down there. I didn't hear it. We're out here with the Texas turkey whisperer. He doesn't need a gun. He just strangles them. This turkey hunting 101.
God said get the truck.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Was that him?
This is Stevie.
He wouldn't make.
Do you hear one over there?
I couldn't tell.
You kill that bird on top of that hill last weekend.
Right here, up there.
Right there, the hill you're looking at.
Oh, that's where he killed him?
On top of that hill.
Oh, I thought it was up on the Okay.
So that probably starts with the road there at the bottom of
I
the hill.
wonder if he drove around. Oh, that's a good catch. That is a good catch.
Oh, yeah.
Film that. Smell like my old hog.
Oh,
Oh, they got him.
ooh, that's gonna leave marks.
Damn, I wish I would have brought my pistol.
Damn it. I figure you would have.
Oh! Can't jump that high, can you?
1, 2. That's a good catch. Got my other hand. Got a decoy set up right over there. It's about 75 yards. We're stood up along this pipeline. Stevie's about 50 yards over it, and Alan's about 50 yards over from there. We're going to sit here till dark. I've got my camo blind set up. I think we're good to go. Here about an hour. The great turkey whisperer's been out there calling. I still haven't seen nothing. Hopefully this isn't a complete bust, but it's hunting. It ain't killing, it's hunting. It's about 30, alright, actually it's about an hour before sunset. I got my little blind set up here. Good enough. Blocks any movement. Got my call, that's my stand for my call. Never before seen footage of the great Texas turkey whisperer. He's over there in that tree. Yep, you see him moving. Rookie mistake. Yeah, we've been out here whispering to turkey for the last 2 hours. We haven't whispered one up yet, but he's giving it hell.